this one, maybe this one was sent to me more than any of the other stories today, or maybe second most. This was coming from many of our fans in India. They were talking about how crazy aggressive Apple's prices are for the Apple One subscription products in India when converted or compared to other markets. And I was like, well, I don't know. How cheap can it really be, right? Because I thought it was already pretty attractive, the things you got included. And so I read through this article, and of course I got to do the conversions as well because I'm looking in the rupees and whatnot. But I look through here and I'm seeing, okay, what about the Apple One family plan? All right, that includes pretty much everything except the new health stuff and the TV Plus, I think, which that's only available in certain markets anyways. But the Apple One family plan, RS 365 per month in India. Now, by comparison, in the US, that's a $20 a month, $19.95. That's what that costs. Do you know what that RS conversion is? 365? That's $5. $5 instead of 20 for the family. $5.
And how many family members? Like 5 or 6?
It was 5 or 6. It's the same. All the specs are the same.
Less than $1.
All the specs are the same. You get the Apple Music. Oh, maybe you do get the Apple TV Plus. Gaming subscription with Apple Arcade. Cloud storage on iCloud.
Oh, up to 6 family members.
The Fitness Plus you don't get on this service in India. And the news and magazine service, Apple News Plus, not in India. So you get the other things. You're getting the TV as well.
And iCloud.
And the iCloud storage, 50 gigs, right? Or more if you got the family one. So if you get the individual one, it's even cheaper, RS 195, if you need the individual. But the real value is going to be at that family price as it is for the cost elsewhere in the world. The value is at the family price. You're talking about $5 and you can spread it. How many did you say? 5 people or 6?
6.
6 people, $5.
Yeah.
It's incredible. And look, I realize you can't go market to market because it's a different situation, man. Right? The cost of living, wages, it's you can't do a one-to-one comparison. But to me, this showcases Apple's intentions in India. They're coming in guns blazing. They're coming in swinging. Yeah. All right? They looked at the other subscription services for sure. They said, okay, Netflix over here, right? They say, well, I don't know. I think Spotify's trying to operate there. I don't know how well they did. Spotify's over there. Yeah. Okay, let's just wipe that. Let's wipe that out real quick. Let's do a $5 a month for the whole family, and then we'll see what happens. And then we get people into the family, into our family. We bring that family into our family.
Yeah. And the Apple Digital Store, too.
Apple Digital Store?
India.
The Apple, they're all of a sudden, you're sitting there looking at the purchase price of the Apple product. You're saying, I get all that too.
Yeah.
$5 a month. You start making the justification. You have a conversation with your wife. She gives you the go-ahead.
It's good stuff happening there.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what I expected from Apple. I guess I should have known they would have had to be that competitive to pull people from the other subscriptions that were there because those were also aggressive. Everybody wants to be a part of this new market. But I guess there was this feeling about Apple that it could have been more expensive only because in the past with hardware products, when you did the conversion, it would be more money. If you looked at an iPhone, the cost of an iPhone converted for the Indian market would be more, but so much that had to do with tariffs and other complications. But when it comes to this one, it's on the flip side. When it comes to this one, it's an actual advantage and a significant advantage. So shout out to India if you're in the Apple ecosystem or feel like you need to join it. I mean, it's still going to cost you money, but this is better news than it could have been. And many people sent that story to me.